Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy, delicious Mexican rice. It's very simple. Start off with your EVOO, and I eyeball that. I don't measure anything because I'm Mexican. So I'm going to start off with a cup and a half of rice that's been already washed and dried and clean and all that goodness. And I got my heat on medium right now, just FYI. Alright, let's let that heat up a little bit. Right now I'm going to add my garlic. I always add my garlic at the beginning, and I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 garlics because I love garlic.
Not really.
And I'm just gonna well, my kids don't, but I do. They take them out.
Yes,
Yeah.
we do.
You got a problem with that?
Wait a minute, that's what Mexicans do.
Okay. So I'm gonna let my garlic cook in there with the rice so that flavor can just, you know, marry each other and just taste so delicious.
Love romance.
You're just getting textures.
You want to just to get, you know, infused together, you know.
Fusion.
So I might need to turn my heat up a little bit more.
That was a lot of rain.
Yeah, those are my kids in the background, if you hear them. So let's let that, I guess, heat up some more. I'll turn my heat up. And then right now it's just a waiting game. Linda's trying to heat up.
No wonder why you stopped.
So the point of this is you want to brown your rice. And that's what we're trying to achieve here. Trying to achieve a nice, beautiful brown color. Not burnt color. Don't burn your rice. Oh, one went flying. Can you stop?
I want some rice. Making rice.
Yes.
I love the rice.
It's still recording. Can you have water?
Oh my God.
Come on, let's go.
I hear the heat coming. Gotta get me some water. Stay hydrated. So, I'm mainly making this rice for my kids because I'm not a big rice fan. My kids love the rice. But this is very simple and easy to make. And I swear this is the best rice you will ever have in your life. everybody do that? Keep stirring, guys. That's the trick to this deliciousness. The deliciousness. Slowly but surely it's getting there. Slowly but surely. So remember, this is 1.5 cups of rice that I'm making, which when cooked, it will make 3 cups of rice. And it smells so good. I wish I could smell this. The garlicness. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Keep stirring. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. The garlic. The garlic with the rice. And that gives your rice a better flavor when you start cooking the garlic in there at the beginning with it. It'll start getting toasty here in a minute. Browning. Toasty.
It smells good in here.
It does. So this is rice is of course is a side dish. We usually eat this with a mole or Well, my kids. With mole or some enchiladas or con chiles rellenos or anything else you want rice with. Just shoot, if you just want to eat just rice, just like just rice, then you can do that. I know my kids do because they love my rice. Now I gotta stay right here and keep stirring, because if not, it will burn. You gotta just show it all this love and attention. Keep stirring it and keep showing it that love, yeah. You see it slowly but surely starting to brown. That's why if you walk away, it will burn on you. So I don't recommend you walking away. I think this is the most time consuming part, because you got to keep stirring, making sure that, you know, all the rice gets that beautiful brown color that you want. Which is just about there. I'm gonna lower my heat back down to medium. So at this point, if you like onions, fresh onions and fresh tomatoes in your rice, first you add your onions and let those caramelize, and then you add the tomatoes. My kids don't like that, so I don't add that to my rice. Right now, I'm going to add my tomato sauce. And you can just get any tomato sauce of your liking. Just a little burnt rice right there, see what I mean? So you gotta keep stirring. So, any tomato sauce of your liking. I'm using an 8-ounce tomato sauce. And 3 cups of water. I'm gonna add some of this. I don't know if you can see that. Caldo de pollo. Caldo con sabor de pollo. So I'm gonna add, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teaspoons of that. Onion powder. Can you see that? Well, onion powder. It's losing focus. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. Okay, so onion powder, and I'm gonna eyeball that. Always do. Garlic powder, eyeball it. Cumin and black pepper. So I'm gonna turn it up so it can get a good boil. Stir that around. It's the only time you want to stir. Put the lid on. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to lower the heat to low and set the timer for 15 minutes, and it should be done in 15 minutes. I made a boo-boo. It's starting to boil. Alright, we're going to let that. Now I'm going to lower the heat since it's boiling, and I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes. And your rice should be done. And it should be very delicious. The best. Alright, so my rice is about to be done. I gave it 15 minutes like I said. And one thing I forgot to mention is I don't add any salt because that chicken caldo con sabor de pollo, that already has enough salt in there. So I don't add no salt. So at this point I'm going to turn it off. It's going to be very steamy. Hope my camera doesn't fog up. And this is what your rice should look like. It's done. And that's it. Enjoy, guys. Delicious rice is the best rice you're ever going to make.
I'm hungry.
And have. Hope you like it.